Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Coinbase app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After that, here you can find the option of sign in. Simply tap on it. Then add your email account just right here. Or you can simply sign in with the passkey, Google or Apple or your wallet. Now add your email and tap on to continue. Now add the password of your email account just right here. And after that, you can see you have been logged in. Now add your additional information and you can simply log in to the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can log in into the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.